Neither the Highlanders nor the Hurricanes have really hit their straps yet in Super Rugby Pacific. And so tonight's match here under the roof in Dunedin is massive for both sides.
Sit! Leave him 9.
Okay, so Highlanders have got a good scrum going here, a really good scrum, and they win the penalty advantage. Kick of just over 40 metres from Banks, and he bangs it hard, and he bangs it straight. And Blake Gibson standing rather flat-footed as he took it. Now Perenara to Garden Bishop. Barrett slings it off for RD Savia. Now this to Julian Savia. Here's Balin Sullivan. Balin Sullivan. A brilliant try under the posts.
You can see there Gregory just had a slight slip, and because of that Balin Sullivan spotted that and he just put his foot down, and the minute that he did that he left everybody in his dust.
There it is again for Perenara. Mefaleo throws a loose pass. Garden Bishop has to tidy up. Gets it away.
So there's never any attempt to wrap your arm. It's a direct shoulder to the head with a high level of danger. It's a red card.
Well, the red cards continue. And this time it's
halfway.
Josh Dixon.
Right.
Line out throw has been won by Prinsep. Now Gibson. Away to Perenara. Garden Bishop. Here's Rayasi. And Celeste Rayasi scores try number 2.
Great execution from set piece from the Hurricanes. They've looked super dangerous.
Keep coming, Blue.
Now his brother. This is a brother-on-brother job, this one. And Jackson Garden Bishop takes it nicely.
It's good.
Perenara looks round, finds Raketti Stones. And penalty. One penalty already tonight for Banks, and add another one. 14 points to 6. And at halftime, it's the Hurricanes ahead by 14 to 6.
Sit!
Got some fresh legs in there, trying to put some pressure on. But now they go straight ahead, and it's there, and it's a penalty. Perenara thinks about going quickly, and off he goes, but not from the right mark. He's going to do it quickly, and he does do it quickly, and he bangs it straight down the middle, Geordie Barrett, to kick his first penalty of the night. 17 points to 6.
Inside.
Macaleo throws. Hicks rises high. And here they go, looking to go through the middle. The Highlanders held by Macaleo. Still there for Macaleo. And try given. Try given. Perenara back for Walker Leawiri. The game being played in the middle of the park. And penalty.
Evans.
2 hands on the ball, lifting, holding on.
So here's Marty Banks with the kick. And it is over. Awkward for Gilbert, but he's got it now. Banks have taken it back inside the 22. So here's the run from Hunt. Stabs a little kick in. And it sets up beautifully. And here's Hunt. Got a chance here. Lobs the pass away for Leonard Brown. Almost got there. Been stolen away by RD Savia though. But it's been turned over. Here's Hicks. Hicks. And Hicks scores.
What did we just witness? Keep your eye on RD Savia and his mission to get the ball, gets a hold of it, gets ripped by Fakatava to Leonard Brown, the shuffle on. Hicks, he's got a couple outside him. The big man, I don't need them. The Highlanders go ahead. Unbelievable.
And no problem. It's a two-pointer. Omua's throw. Been won by Delaney. Now Putarumanga Jensen. Morgan away for Julian Savia. Rayasi in a bit of space. Looks to get on the outside. Needs to slip the pass. And the try is scored by Morgan. Aidan Morgan.
Aidan Morgan slides in. I don't think they want to check whether or not his feet were in touch. He did slide in the tackle, but I think they feel that they've got it accurate.
Only a couple of metres out here. Thrilling finish. Diving towards the line.
He's over the line.
He's over the line. How did he get it there? Referee's having a bit of a look. Solomau has got it over the line.
Angus.
Yes.
Yeah, on-field decision stands. I've got nothing clear for a grounding.
So we have no clear grounding. Ball is held up, and just confirming that that's the full-time whistle.
And time is up.
Wow,
Yes.
No try.
what a finish.
Full time.
The try is not given. The boos ring around the stadium. The Highlanders can't believe it. And the Hurricanes get the victory. Wow.